Hey everyone, it's Feli from Plai here. So you might have noticed a small modification in the launchers from all the Meta and Google platforms. In case you didn't, don't worry, the big update is actually not here in the Advertise tab, but rather in the Creative Hub. So for those of you who do not know the Creative Hub or do not use it much, this is where you can actually create templates or browse the template library to launch ads in just a few clicks. Or simply generate creatives, like if you want to spend your Saturday doing like AI avatars or playing with smart creatives and so on. Or you can even now, with this new feature, generate audiences for both Meta and Google so that you can reuse them on multiple ads and work on them as a separate asset and not only within the campaign launcher. So as you can see, we got started with Meta and Google, but more things are coming soon to the platform. For now, I'll show you how this launcher works. First of all, you'll find this prompting section. You just drop in your prompt like you usually do. You tap on generate, and this will generate all of your campaign for you. You can then give it a name, and once you get that name, you can actually start tweaking if you want or modifying anything within it. Otherwise, if you want, you can also do it from scratch, so you have three options in here as you usually find. The related targeting, the AI targeting, which is again Advantage Plus targeting, meaning it will optimize over time based on user interactions with your ads, and the custom targeting to work from scratch with the usual categories from Meta: interests, behaviors, and demographics. Now, you get all the usual stuff in here. You get the suggestions if you want. You can narrow your audience up to 2 times in here. And you can do stuff like audience exclusions if you have generated custom audiences in the past. And of course, all the standard stuff like age and gender and location targeting and of course, location exclusion. Remember, if you want to save an audience, you do need to have a location set up. You can also then do more advanced stuff like language targeting, which is basically for when you want to target people who do not live in the country that you're gonna be advertising in, like for example German tourists or expats in a certain country. And then you have a few extra configuration options like devices and placements if you want to actually customize that. For Google, it's really similar, and it actually hides another update that we have launched. So same thing, you can prompt and then you can give it a name and generate your keywords, your negative keywords, and your search themes. So this template will work for both for your Google search campaigns as well as the PMax, Demand Gen, or other platforms from Google that you might want to use. And regarding keywords, now when you do add a keyword in a specific match type, it will actually tell you which one is being selected, so that you're not left wondering which match type you are using in there. And the same applies for negative keywords, where you can actually define the match type as well. You get all the standard stuff, you get age and gender, languages as well. And of course, as well as with Meta, you need to set the location that you're gonna be targeting in this area. And once you save your audiences over here, you will be able to see them within the launchers of Meta and Google in this select saved audience toggle, and this will automatically populate this edit button over here so that you can actually modify any piece of the ad, from locations to placements to whatever you want to do. In this way you can work faster, but at the same time get super granular with your ads. Let me know what you think in the comments and what you would like to see next.